So this is Lucky and Thunder in Playgroup, Manhattan Animal Care and Control. When I just walked over to their kennel, they were actually just, or to their pen rather, were very soft and playing with each other. Yeah, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Yeah, go play. Go play. Don't talk to me. Go play. Hi. Boy, both of you guys, go play with each other. Go play with each other. Come on. So this is Lucky and Thunder at Manhattan Animal Care and Control. No, I'm not talking to you. Go play with the doggy. Thunder and Lucky. Yeah, just easy with each other. Manhattan Animal Care and Control. Thunder and Lucky, Manhattan Animal Care and Control.